Good morning, good day, my people. Yes, as you can see, it's a windy and rainy day. Still not feeling well, but staying in, taking care of myself, looking through the window. Yes, yes. Blessed to you all, wherever you are in the world, you know. Hope you're staying safe, hope you're giving thanks. Hope you're smiling with yourself, your family. Yes. As you can see the bird nests in the tree, it's raining, but they're out there, they belong to the nature. They are safe and warm. They were built for that. Blessed love to you all. It's a rainy day. Blessed love, Sweden. All my Sweden friends and family. Blessed day to you all. One and all, one and all. Just giving thanks, in, looking out. And I will be tuning in very soon again after this. Just giving a shout out to a blessed morning. It's still a blessed morning, even though it look like that. We still have to give thanks. Still have to be humble, still have to keep the faith, yes. Stay strong, one and all. Just giving a shout out, good morning, from my window, looking out, looking out. Hope you all stay safe and warm in this weather. If you are in the tropical or sunshine, yes, give thanks same way. We do respect and love you all still. Wish I could be there, but it's still good to be here. Where you are at the moment, we should give thanks still. At the moment is where you are. Rainy, rainy morning, rainy, rainy day. Giving thanks, giving thanks, giving thanks. Doing this for my friends, my family, my subscribers, my viewers, and my soon-to-be subscribers. Love you all. I can feel your energy coming towards this platform soon. I can feel you all. You will get there. We're gonna get there. Be humble and wise. Be humble and wise. So I'm just giving you a short shout out this morning. It's a rainy day. So still a blessed day. As I said, I'm still sick and in, taking care of myself. Hope turn out to work Monday, healthy and strong again. Yes, enough love to all my human workers. Hope to see you all Monday again. And thanks to you all and my work leader who always keep up with me and wishing me the best and safe, you know, to come back to work. Thank you all. Yeah, they really keep communicating with me. Yes, yeah. People care. So that little thought I must share. People do care. And I hope you all care for yourself. Respect to my friend in India, King Lee, always giving me a shout out. Johnny B TV, respect my brother. Keep trying, keep staying humble and true, my brother. King Levan, I don't know what to say. You almost bring me to tears many times when you come up with some little respect, King Levan. I can't say you don't know me, and I can't say I don't know you. How can we try to find out who we are when you are I and I am you? So we already know who we are. So I know you, you know me. Respect for the inspiration, King Levan. And I hope your spelling thing go in every parish that should be allowed throughout the week, month, year. Respect, King Levan. Keep it up, brother. I'm always tuning in. Blessed to you. I don't want, you shouldn't be running the country. You should have the country stand. Still, because we don't want the country run. You would have the country stand up, not running. Respect, respect, respect. Yes, as I say, blessed to you all, and catch you all very soon again. All right? Blessed love. Good morning, good day, good night, wherever you are in the world. Remember to please subscribe, share, and like. Cause genuinely, not for the camera, not for the views, I love you all. Blessed love. Once again. Catch you soon. Like, subscribe, share.